Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, I'm Melanie, aka Content Pairs. If you want to improve your style, get inspired, and be motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button there. Did you click it? And please don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like this. So it's another money-making tips for SAHM, stay-at-home mom. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's get started. How to make money instantly for stay-at-home mom. Let's get started. So, first of my list, and I think this is my favorite because I'm already doing this. It's different in terms of programming and some of the paperwork and documents, but you can do this even though you don't have the proper documents. What is it? Babysitting job or part-time job. Before I went to a daycare center, I got my experience in babysitting at home before I move on and apply for a daycare center here in our area. So I started there, and every day the rate for a babysitting job is $40 to $50 an hour, and you can make it up. It depends to you how will you find clients that you can afford that amount of rate for your service. But yes, babysitting, you don't need any paperwork if you're just gonna do babysitting for hours, right? For an hour or two, it will be up to you, and you can ask your state where you are in to make sure if you want to take care of more than 2 kids, make sure you call them so that you know how many children that you can take care of if you are unlicensed or if you are a babysitter, right? So that you have a particular information for it and you're not going to get in trouble. But if you're doing it just for a couple of hours, that's not a problem, and you're going to earn instant money. How will you get your clients? By telling people that you are willing to take care of them. You can post it online in Marketplace, Kijiji, or just message your friends. Are you guys looking for are you guys looking for babysitter? I am willing to do it. I am a stay-home mom that willing to do this for you, for your family. I can take care of them. That kind of marketing strategy. Just tell people that you know, and then they will refer you. So this babysitting is a good source of income. I promise you. When I started doing it, it's very rewarding that I am helping family. At the same time, I am at home, but I am earning money from it. So when you babysit for an hour a day, every day for 5 days, you are gonna earn, you're gonna earn $200 and more if you want to take care of more kids, right? So it's very good source of income. Instantly you're gonna earn money from it. You have the ability and you have the patience to take care of more children in your home. Do it. It's another great source of income. I am repeating myself because this is that excites me, because this is the line of job I do. Not a babysitting, but it is home daycare provider and educator. But if you want to improve it or make it more, do it on the second level, you can get information by going to my Hooray Childcare Gurus if you want to be licensed as a home daycare owner. Okay, just go on that description. I will put everything that you need for that particular information if you want to upgrade in being a home daycare educator. But anyways, we're talking about babysitting. So let's move on to number 2 of the instant way to earn money at home. Dog sitting. Dog sitter. Yes, Even around the world, people are looking of a trustworthy person to take care of their love of their life, which is their pets. In dog sitter is one of a instant way to earn money being at home with your children. So this will cost here for Canada, the rate is $30 to $50 per night. What if you do it for 5 days and you earn $50 times 5? That's a lot of money. 250. Am I right? Matt is right. So 250 guys for 5 days for doing this. Just walking the dog outside, and that way you get some bonding time with your children as well. You go to breathe fresh air with this pet that you're gonna take care of. But you have to make sure that your child is okay with it, no allergies, and yourself. You have to consider those pointers, okay, before you take care of animals, and make sure that you're okay to some of your stuff will get ruined because it's gonna be part of it. But if you're ready for that, jump into doing a dog sitting. That's another way to earn instant money. But let's move on into my number 3 and last, how to make money instantly being stay-home mom. So selling second-hand stuff online. I believe with the quote, a man's trash is another man's treasure. It's true. I'm pretty sure, I guarantee you, we have some stuff that we don't really use, and it's already stuck in a closet somewhere in the corner of our house that can make us instant income, money. What you can do is make your account in Kijiji, Marketplace, or anywhere that you can post it online just to gather some clients and people that will consider buying your stuff. You can sell anything, clothes, from house stuff, everything that you think that it will still be useful for another person. This is surprisingly very good source of income, instant money, if you have some stuff that you don't really use and make it and turn it into instant money. Yes! Did you guys like those three instant ways on how to make money online for stay-at-home mommy? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this 3 tips on three ways how to make money instantly for stay-home moms. Comment down below if you have more of this kind of tips how to make money, and I would love to hear from you. So don't forget to hit that like button if you like this kind of video, and please, if you are not subscribed on my channel, please do, because it's gonna be worth of your time. Click that red button and don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like this. So Wednesday is my money making tips for stay-at-home moms and for everybody if you're watching right now. So thank you so much for being here. And if you have any suggestion or request of video that you want me to come up, just comment down below. I would love to see your comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.